Should be laying right there somewhere.
Oh, here it is. Hi. I'm almost done.
What do you mean you're almost done? You can just keep coloring until the eggs are gone, as far as I'm concerned.
Oh, are they?
You get it in just different colors. You have a blue right here nobody's used yet. See that
I'm
blue?
going to use it.
Which one?
That is kind of cool looking.
Which one?
My thing
I've used that one.
is it going to
I want
come
the
off?
Can I have the crayon?
Hey, Grammy. I've used that one.
Can I have the crayon? Crayon.
Please.
Please.
Kind of bent.
Feels really cool on my feet.
Now I gotta wait.
Does it?
I wrote stuff on it, and it's secretly red.
The pink one's kind of cool looking.
Yeah, it is.
Let me see what you're writing there.
Where's the puppy? Is she over messing with it and she needs to go potty? You have to go potty, or do you want more food? What do you want here? Go.
Okay.